Good day, sir. I'm Ken Nicolas El Susuban, and this is my Arduino Circuit activity. So, this is my key components: the Arduino Uno R3, the breadboard small, LCD 16x2, micro servo, potentiometer, and our keypad. This is my input one, the potentiometer, and in output one is micro servo. Input 2 is the keypad, and the output 2 is LCD. So let's start simulation. This is where the display. Enter password. So let's enter the default password. And by the way, this is a smart lock Arduino circuit. So it's unlocked and it's already open. That's all. Thank you.